Welcome, Adhoppers, to another video. In this video, we'll be giving you tips on how to prepare for your first cruise. To start, make sure your travel documents are in order. It is often a good idea to cruise with a passport if you're going anywhere abroad, even if the places you visit won't require one. If you possess a passport, it will be far simpler to arrange an unforeseen return flight during your trip. Verify if your passport is still valid 6 months after your cruise ends and hasn't expired. If you plan to visit a particular country, check the requirements for entering with a valid visa before you travel there. Contacting banks to get the local currency. Prior to your cruise, inform your banks that you will be visiting a different state or country to prevent debit or credit card freezes. You can enter your travel dates into an online system offered by many banks, or you can phone the customer service number associated with any card or account you plan to use while away from home. Obtaining local currency for each of the nations you visit will avoid wasting time in port locating ATMs or money exchange facilities. Create your packing list. There's a big advantage to cruising. You only have to unpack once because your lodging and transportation are combined. You can avoid overpacking because of the onboard washing facility. Start by planning your excursions and adventures. No matter where you're going, remember to bring a swimsuit so you can enjoy the onboard pools and hot tubs for swimming and relaxing. Remember that shorts and flip-flops are not allowed in the evening, and t-shirts, swimsuits, and other pool attire is not allowed at any time in the main or specialized restaurants. As long as there is no tears or rips, jeans are acceptable for any occasion. On most evenings, on celebrity cruises, males should wear khakis or jeans and a sports shirt, while women should wear casual dresses, slacks, including jeans, skirts, and blouses. Get to know your ship. If you've never been on a cruise before, you can use your laptop or computer to tour the ship by visiting their website, which has comprehensive desk plans for every ship in their fleet. There are plenty of bars, lounges, and fine dining establishments to choose from in this area. Enjoying a live performance, watching a performer twist and flip at the Eden on Celebrity Edge, or dining al fresco at the Lawn Club Grill. All require meeting together in especially created spaces on board. There's a variety of activities available on sea days, depending on which ship you're cruising on. Some options include playing pool volleyball with ship officers and friends, or honing your basketball, pickleball, ping pong, or golf putting skills. Make specialty restaurant reservations. Many complimentary and specialty dining options are available to you while on board. However, you'll want to book ahead of time if you want to secure a seat at the trendiest specialty restaurants. Mediterranean-inspired venues such as Sushi on 5 and the Porch restaurant offer the freshest catch and roll bars at sea, while immersive food experiences like Le Petit Chef, the ideal interactive activity for families and groups, showcase creativity in cooking. Pencil in your spa appointments. The spa's massages, facials, and wellness consultations are in high demand, so you should think about scheduling one as soon as you book your cruise. If you put off scheduling your pampering until the last minute, you'll have fewer options. Full body wraps, manicures and pedicures, salon services, and more are all available. Stock up on medication. Make sure you bring adequate prescription and over-the-counter medication for the duration of your vacation. While every ship has a medical center, there is no assurance that the prescription you need will be accessible. Rather be safe than sorry. Remember to bring sunscreen if you're sailing to a warm location. For sunny travels, SPF lip balm comes in handy as well. Pack a day bag for embarkation day. Packing a bag with a few necessities is a wise idea because on departure day, your major luggage will be conveniently brought straight to your room and you'll be separated from it. With Celebrity Cruises Open Access, you won't have to stress about overpacking and carrying your carry-on around until your room is ready, because you'll have access to your cabin as soon as you board. You might bring a change of clothes in case you decide to head to the pool after settling in. A few necessities like deodorant or perfume, and a backpack filled with activities for the kids. For your day bag, everything you typically bring in a personal item on an aircraft is usually appropriate. Gather electronic devices and chargers. You need to keep your electronics charged, whether it's for your phone, tablet, or camera, so remember to bring charging cords. Should you need to pack an adapter to charge your phone when you get ashore, it will depend on your location and power requirements. Pack a tiny bag to carry essentials like sunscreen and a bottle of water. A bonus tip is checking in online. Up to 24 hours before your trip, you can check in via the Celebrity app or online. You may start your trip sooner by checking in online, which speeds up the boarding procedure. There is no right way to begin your first day on a cruise ship. You can explore the ship, unpack your belongings, or relax by the pool. Stay tuned for our next video on what not to bring on a cruise ship.